joy I move the verse and begin it, and with joy I remain and finish it. And if only the end were good, I hold that the beginning will be good through the good beginning. Joy and happiness come to me, and so I should welcome the good end, for I see all good deeds praised at the finish. So joy empowers me and conquers me. It's a marvel how I suffer it, for I don't say and don't make noise, through whom I'm so joyful and rejoicing. But you'll hardly see faithful love without fear and without doubt, for always one fears toward what one loves to fail, no matter how little one speaks of it. It's not trouble or failing or villainy, so it seems to me, but from a man when he makes himself a gossip of another's love, and makes himself knowing troublesome one. And what advances you if you make me trouble and heaviness? Each one wants to fulfill himself of his own craft. You destroy me, and I don't see you enjoying it. Well suits a lady among base people and evil neighbors, and if a bold heart doesn't strengthen her, hardly can she be worthy or valiant. And so I pray, let her have memory of it, the beautiful one in whom I have trust, that she not change for words or turn away. For the enemies I have, I make die of envy. A beautiful laughing mouth kissing me would betray me, for with one sweet kiss she killed me. If with another she doesn't heal me, for it's just the same to me in likeness as the spear of Peleus, that from its blow no one could be cured, unless another time he made himself be struck by it. Beautiful lady, your noble body and your beautiful eyes have conquered me, and the sweet glance and the bright face and your beautiful teachings. For when I well take thought of it, in beauty I find no equal to you. You are the most beautiful one can choose in the world, or I don't see clearly with the eyes with which I gaze at you. Beautiful sight, without any doubt, I know that your worth advances, for you know so much of making and saying pleasures. No man can keep himself from loving you. I should well have happiness, for in such a lady I've placed my hope, that whoever speaks ill of her can't lie more basely, and whoever speaks well of her can't speak more beautiful.